Hey everyone, you notice I started this video with the move of the solar grease from my parents' house down to my house, and that's because with a heavy heart I have to announce that Jacob, the crane operator who moved the Bertram for us and moved so many boats for my daddy, has passed away. It was a desire of mine to eventually have Jacob move the hull from my home when the restoration was complete, but alas, that's not going to happen anymore. So I'm going to dedicate this video to the memory of Jacob. May he rest in peace. Well, so much for our top experiment. No matter what we do, every time it rains, the water just collects in the middle and it sides and hangs and pulls, and so we just cut it loose. See, this is our problem here. Every time the top collects water, water drains down and goes between the stringers, and if it doesn't dry out properly, the seam stays pretty damp, and in order for us to get a good bond, I don't think that's going to be good. So this is really what's holding us up from getting anything done lately. It's kind of frustrating, but yeah, this is what we've been having to deal with the past couple of weeks. Alright, so this is top version 5.0. We made some more modifications to it. This section here, this middle section, is our problem child. Every time it rains, a little bit of water starts to collect, and then it starts to sag, and it collects more and more and more and more, and sags and sags and sags. And yeah, so what we did here, we're doing like a little netting. I don't know if you can see it. We're doing a netting so the support in that area will be greater, and hopefully it won't pool as much, and the water will just run off at some point instead of just keep collecting. So yeah, let's see how this one goes. It's overcast, so it's pretty dark to see. What we also did, we added some more supports going front to back, so it'll support it that way as well. Maybe nylon string isn't the best thing to use, but that's all we got. So we utilize what we got. So we get some more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 now instead of just 2. It's kind of cozy under here, eh? What'd you say, Tony?
Yeah, one of these. One of these drowning you in water.
Yeah.
started?
Yeah, I started down and starting this one now.
We're off with this bucket over there.
That's our resin.
Yeah, staying over there, we bring it in.
No, it's staying on down. We ain't in no rush, okay? We ain't in no rush.